Hello friends, welcome back. Many people would have thought to install solar power system for home purpose. But before contacting a dealer, it is very important to understand few things like what is my daily electricity consumption, how many solar panels should I need, what is the inverter capacity needed, number of batteries needed, cost of the system, and what savings I do by installing this kind of system. When you understand all this, chances of you getting cheated from dealers will be minimized and also your requirement will be successfully fulfilled. First, let us understand your daily electricity consumption. Here, I will explain you with an example. As you can see in the table, let's say you have one fan of 90 watt and you use it for 5 hours a day. So it is 90 watt into 5 hours, that is 450 watt. And say you have one bulb of 40 watt and you use it for 5 hours a day and it is 40 watt into 5 hours, that is 200 watt. And say you have one TV of 250 watt and you use it for 5 hours a day, so it is 250 watt into 5 hours, that comes up to 1250 watt. And say you have one washing machine which is of 2000 watt and you use it for 1 hour a day, so it is 2000 watt into 1 hour, that is 2000 watt. When you add up all this consumption, you get somewhere like 3900 watt per day. So we round it off for 4000 watt. Now, let us understand how many solar panels we need to generate 4000 watt of power. As calculated, power needed is 4000 watt. Average sunlight per day would be 3.5 hours. So each 100 watt solar panel will produce 100 watt into 3.5, that is 350 watt power. So 4000 watt divided by 350 watt will be somewhere like 12 panels of 100 watt each. Or we can also install 4 panels of 325 watt each to run one fan, one bulb, one TV for 5 hours and one washing machine for 1 hour in a day. Next, let us understand about battery requirement. Let's say there is no sunlight for one day. In this case, we need to back up additional 4000 watt power to run one fan, one bulb, one TV for 5 hours and one washing machine for 1 hour. So backup requirement is additional 4000 watt. So battery capacity, that is AH, is equals to total watt required divided by voltage of the battery. So here 4000 watt is the additional power required divided by 12, that is the voltage of the battery, which comes up to 333 AH. So we round off to 350. And it is always good to have 50 AH more. So it would be 400 AH. So we need two batteries of 200 AH each. Tall tubular batteries will be very efficient and long lasting. Now let's understand which inverter is required. Solar panels can only produce DC current. So we need an inverter where the DC current can be converted to AC current. Since we are using somewhere like 1300 watt panel, that is 325 into 4 panels will be coming around 1300 watt. So it is suggestible to use 2 kVA inverter. Inverter with MPPT charge controller or PCU will give you high efficiency. Next, let us see how much this system will cost in INR, that is Indian currency. As you can see from the table, we need 4 numbers of solar panels of each 325 watt. So each solar panel of 325 watt will cost somewhere like 9000 rupees. So 9000 into 4 numbers, that is 36,000 rupees. Next, say we need 2 batteries of 200 Ah each. So each battery will cost you somewhere like 15,000. So 15,000 into 2 is 30,000 rupees. Next, We need one inverter of 2 kVA capacity, which would cost you somewhere like 17,000 rupees. And installation cost, that is wiring and miscellaneous, say may come up to 10,000 rupees. So when you add up all this, you will be getting 93,000. That is the maximum cost required to install this system. Note, above cost is for 4,000 watt plus additional 4,000 watt backup generation. Cost may differ place to place. Please calculate according to your currency. Next, let's understand about savings from the installation. Since we are consuming 4,000 watt power per day, which is equal to 4 units as per government. Let's say, for instance, government charges for electricity per unit is 6 rupees. So 4 units into 6 rupees, somewhere it is somewhere like 24 rupees per day. So per month, that is 24 rupees into 30 days will come up to 720 rupees per month. So savings per month is 720 rupees. The lifespan of a solar panel is minimum of 25. So the money invested, that is 93,000 rupees, will be recovered in less than 10 years. Note, savings may differ depending upon electricity charges, since charges will vary from place to place. Thank you very much, friends. Please like and subscribe to my channel.